I'm sharing the screen also. So please check from your end, my screen is visible or not.
It's visible, sir.
So from where I have to start, like the posting period, right?
Yes, sir.
So that actually I
Yes.
have two topics, like account group and this one.
Join class.
So now you can able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I start from account group now. Then after that I will come for this one, OBD.
Okay.
So OBD. So last time actually I told you the definition for account group, right? Hello. So what is your company code actually? What is your company code? Chart of accounts?
ALL.
ALL, right?
Yeah.
So some people they are new joining here. Actually, Shekhar. See
Yes,
this
sir.
from the account group only I have to start. Okay, from your batch. Yeah? So try to understand. Already I created the account group here in this batch. Okay, but your company code is different. Here I'm using the company code is different. From your end, actually, what you have to do, you have to go to first time if you're doing practice. Okay, then you have to type all this one by one. What I'm showing in the screen. Okay. And last time actually I told you one more point also here, the number range, right? Here starts from the number 1, 2, 3, 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning for 1, 2, 3 and 4?
Sir, it's a standard code in the SAP like liability assets.
Correct. 1 means liabilities, 2 means asset, 3 means income and 4 means expenses.
Expenses.
You know that. Hello, Shekhar. Shekhar?
Yes, sir.
See, up to this actually, what and all I'm showing here, up to sundry data, no, you have to copy, means you have to go to new entries, you have to type one by one, including the number also. So don't change the number here, okay? So see my video, go to new entries,
Okay.
type one by one, and click on save from your end, okay? Then here actually I have to tell one more point. Here I mentioned here 1, here I mentioned here 2, and here I mentioned here 3, and here I mentioned here 4, correct? So 1 means liabilities, that is standard in SAP. 2 means asset, and 3 means income, and 4 means expenses. Okay, this is all standard number. And here I have to update one more point here. You can see the direct expenses it starts from 400, 2002, 400, 300, right? So total 100 numbers we have right now, correct? So it means I can create now 100 GL, 100 direct expenses. And one more point here, account groups controls master data. So in GL, the master data is FS00. In vendor, the master data is XK01, and in customer, the master data is XD01. Okay. So now, I will tell you what is control now. See, so for example, I will go to this T code FS00 GL creation T code, and here you can see in the control data tax category field is there, right? So for time being, I don't want this tax category field in the screen. So how I have to remove this? I have to go to OP depot. Here, see for example, if I double click somewhere, for example, bank accounts or something, and here you can see account control, right? If I double click here account control, you can see here suppress record optional. For example, tax category. If I make it as a suppress here, then the tax category field is not visible there in FS00. That is the meaning. And if I make it as a record entry, then you have to update something in the tax category field, and you make it as a optional. And if you are not updating also, system will accept. Okay, so this is optional entry. Shekhar, actually what I'm telling here, you understand that, right? Shekhar?
Sir, actually, I can understand this, but from this class suddenly I joined now, sir. I'm not sure what is that you are talking.
Not suddenly. Actually, from here I have to start for you. Okay.
Okay.
So today morning I completed up to this one, right? Chart of account, right?
Yes,
After
sir.
chart of account, this is the step account group.
Okay, we have to create the account group after.
Yeah. After that we have to, because in Google actually I'm facing some problem. That's why I can't show the T code list.
Okay.
So anyway, tomorrow if I'm showing, you will come to know. After chart of account, after assigning the chart of account to company code, no, the concept is account group here. Okay. You got my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So account groups control master data. So in the GL, see for example, I told you here, the tax category field you can see. So for time being, I want to remove this tax category. I have to go to account group, and here I have to make it as a suppress. Then the tax category field is not visible. Okay. Then one more record is there. OB53. So OB53 means what is the record then? I told you, right? Return earnings account. So return earnings account, the T code OB53. So what is the meaning for return earnings account means? You are carry forward your balance from one fiscal year to another fiscal year. All your P&L. Okay. On the liability side. So here what I am doing now. First actually you have to go to this one account group, and here you can see current liabilities number, right? So the number starts from this number 101,000, right? So this current liabilities number I have to assign here. Where I have to assign? In the return earnings account 101,000. So you can see here balance carry forward, right? So all your P&L, you can see here P&L, correct? So all your P&L actually you have to carry forward your liabilities. So you have to update the number that X is standard here. Okay, for X there is no meaning. So you have to update here X, and you have to update here current liabilities here. Then after that you have to click on save. See, after chart of account, these two types is important. One is like return earnings account, and one more is account group. Then from today onwards, actually from where I have to start posting period, right? So today morning actually I told you how many posting period actually we have in SAP.
3, right, sir.
No. That's why you are doing a mistake. Actually, I told you clearly. Yeah. But you have to tell me, no, actually you are saying me.
No, it's she told start with one.
Anyway, you have to bring the laptop.
Yeah, I have to confirm that.
Yeah, because see the mobile actually, because my laptop actually I can't show that.
Okay.
So define posting period. OBB.
Sir,
I'm asking you only, right? Share.
Yeah.
I thought actually you are in the home.
No, I just left. So then
But you need offline class.
after this.
Bring the laptop tomorrow. Also.
Yeah.
So define posting period variant. The T code is OBBO. So how many posting periods we have total?
6, 12,
12. After that
4 plus 4.
4, right? So 12 plus 4, total actually we have 16 period, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here go to new entries. And here actually any 4 characters you have to update here. So what is your company code? ALAL, right? Update here ALAL. And here description I'm giving now, posting period variant for your company code ALAL. And click on save button. Okay, this is variant. So the next one, assign company code to posting period variant. So what I created here, then I have to assign in my company code. That is /NOBBP. Okay, you are assigning the posting period in your company code. So click on position, update your company code here ALAL, and update your variant here ALAL, and click on save button. Okay, this is all a simple step. Okay. And the next T code is very important. Open and closing period. The T code is OB52 /N OB52. And one more thing here I have to update. There are 3 types of activities for the consultant, like day by day activities, year end activities, and month end activities. So this posting period coming under month end activities. Every month you have to come here, you have to update the period. Now go to OB52 and update your posting period here. What is like ALAL? I created, right? Update your posting period ALAL and go to new entries. And here you can see account, right? Account means account type. See in FI actually I'm taking 4 topics, you know that. GL, AP, AR, asset accounting, correct? Yeah. So this account type, it will support all the business. You can see plus, right? Plus means it will support all the business, asset, customer, vendor, material and GL. This material coming under MM order. And one more important point here I will tell you, asset means it's standing for A. A is standard. Okay. Customer means we are calling D. Vendor means K. Material means M. GL means S. This is standard. Plus means it will support all the business.
What is contact account?
Contract account most of the time actually we are not using in the business. Okay. Contract means like if you are merging 2 more companies code or something, no, in the business, we are doing the contract there.
Okay, for a period.
For a period, agreement between the 2 companies. So most of the time actually we are following this ADKMS only. Okay. This is not coming to the picture. Okay. But this is standard. So A means asset, D means customer, K is vendor, M means material, S means GL account. So select your plus symbol and here my period. I mentioned here 1. As per India, if I mention here 1, what is the period here? April month.
April.
And here I will start my fiscal year 2021. Here I will mention here 12. 12 means which month? March as per India. March coming under next year only. So I have to update here 2022. And I told a special period 4. That into special period also it will come after year end only. Not in the middle of the year. I told you this point also, right? 16, 2022. And here first topic for us GL. So select here yes. S is GL accounts. Okay. And here I am giving like this Z. So what is the meaning for Z means the real meaning 0 to 999.
Is that
Means I can post n number of transaction in the GL.
Okay.
That is the meaning. See instead of 0 999 only I am giving here as per SAP standard Z. You got my point, right? On the particular month I can post a number of transaction. And same thing here also you have to update the same thing 12 2022 13 2022 16 2022 and after that you have to click on save. Everything every time it is like this only. It will not work out in the real time. In YouTube also they will do like that only. So in real time what we are doing here, I have to come here, I have to update the month like this. Like 2.
Why 2?
Yeah, that's why I'm telling now. So if I mention here 2, what is the meaning for 2?
Second month?
Means May month.
May month.
Only May month I can post.
Okay.
Not in April or June.
Okay.
Always actually we have to focus only current month. Not in future or past.
Okay.
If you open all the period 1 to 12, then end user will post December also.
Yeah.
As per the business that is wrong. Correct? So do practice like this.
Okay. Only for that particular month.
See, whatever I'm teaching here, all are live. Don't say for time being you do this and that, okay? So follow this. Because if you open as all the period as per the business, then indices will post in December also. Right now, for me, July month. So I have to focus only July month, not in December. Right?
Right.
So that is why if I'm updating the period here to only May month I can post, not in April or June. If you are trying for April, the system throw the error. That error actually I will show you tomorrow. Okay, today we'll complete configuration. This is posting period.
So if it is for this month, it will be 4.
Yeah, like that we have to update. Every month we have to come here.
Every month we have to change like this, sir.
Yeah, man. Every month actually you have to come here. Every month we have to update the period like this.
Okay.
This is month-end activities for the consultant. I told you that there are 3 types of activities: month-end, year-end, and day by day. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So these are all month-end activities. In the interview, they will ask you 100%. Tell me about some month-end activities. You have to tell this point also. So define document types. Next T code OBS1 slash n OBS1. Sagar, actually what I'm telling you, this PDF file I'm following. So don't get confused here. So here I started from today morning like creation of company up to chart of account,
Yeah, sir.
After that we start from account go.
Okay.
Today now. Now written earnings account I started now. I'm going like this.
Okay.
But I can show in Google, but my Google Chrome is not working now.
Okay.
You don't get confused here. I'm going by order wise. After chart of account now, I have to follow account group only. Then after that, this is another common step actually. From here only I have to start this batch. Okay.
Okay.
So next one, define document types. OBA7. So document types meaning it controls the header and used to identify the business transaction. It is created at client level. See, for example, first chapter for you GL. So the standard document type is SA. SA meaning GL document. And the second topic for you, accounts payable, KA. KA means vendor document. And KG means vendor credit memo. So credit memo means what is the meaning here? Purchase return. In accounts receivable, sales return. And here KR means vendor invoice and KZ means vendor payment. So this is all coming under accounts payable. This is not standard document types.
Yes.
And in accounts receivable, I'm using the document type here DA. DA means customer document and DJ means customer credit memo. Means sales return. DR means customer invoice and DZ is customer payment. So this is coming under accounts receivable. And the last topic asset accounting. There I am using WA, asset posting.
Asset posting.
So it controls the header and used to identify the business transaction. See, for example, I will go to this T code. I am giving example only. Don't get confused here because this T code only you don't know. Okay. F-53. So currently I am in which screen? But don't see this header. Header and all I can remove. Back end actually I have to do some configuration. Header also I can remove. That is also possible.
Okay.
After header, any idea right now I'm in which screen? You don't have the idea, right?
Enterprise structure?
No. I mean the posting.
Okay.
See now here you can see type.
Hmm.
Type means what? Document type.
Correct.
Here you can see KZ. Right now I mean vendor
Vendors.
payment screen.
Payment.
Yeah, I'll give another example. I'll go to this T code F-43. And here you can see
Vendors
document
receivable.
here. Right now I'm in vendor invoice posting screen. And I'll give you another 5 example. F-22. Here you can see the document type is DR. DR means right now I'm in customer invoice posting screen.
Customer.
Like that I'll give one more example. F-28. You can see here document type is DZ. Means right now I'm in customer payment screen. And the last example I'm giving here F-02. Here you can see the document type is SA. SA means
General
right
ledger.
now
GL.
GL account posting screen.
GL.
So that's why I'm telling. It controls the header. This is the header, and used to identify the business transaction. Okay, and it is created at client level. So you have to explain like this as per the interview point of view.
Okay.
For screen understanding, document type is very important. Now you have the idea what is document type, right? So now
Yes.
I will go to again OBA7. Each and every document actually we have one standard number is there. I'll go to SA and select your details button. And here you can see the number is 01, right?
Yeah.
So why I need the number range? For posting and payment, I need the number range. After posting the documents now, you can see one number. Document 1 was posted, document 2 was posted like that. For that purpose, I need the number range for payment and posting. The standard number is 0 here. Select your number range information. And one more important point, if you want to create the number ranges, the T code you can see in the left hand side. What is the T code? FBN1 is the T code. You can see in the left hand side.
Yeah.
Sorry, right hand side.
Transaction.
So now, what is your company code?
FBN.
Yearly.
Yes.
Update here. Click on intervals button. So what number I have to create here? 01.
One.
Number range.
Standard number. I told you. My business starts from 2021. Here, all the trainers they'll give like this. No use. What I'm telling here, from number I'm giving 1, to number I'm giving 2. So if I'm giving here from number 1 to here 2 means what is the meaning?
From first month till end of.
No. See that chapter you forget now.
Okay.
Now I mean some
Only
other
two
chapter.
documents can be entered.
Now if I mention here 1 and 2, in GL I can post only up to 2 documents, not more than
More
that.
than 2. Okay.
If you are trying to post more than that, the system throw the error. That is the meaning.
Okay.
So like that only you have to do practice. If I'm giving triple nine like other people, then you can't understand that screen. So for screen understanding, I'm doing like this. If I mention here 1 and 2, I can post only 2 documents in the GL, not more than that. If you are trying to post more
Standard
than
it is 2 only, sir.
that, no, not like that. For
Only if
your,
you enter 1 and 2.
for your understanding, I'll mention here 2. But I'll get the error. Once I get the error, then I'll increase the number. But right now I'm doing the configuration. No, I can't show the error. From tomorrow onwards, like GL, no, then I can show the error.
Okay.
Then you will come to know. So now you understand the number range, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Tolerance. There are 3 types of tolerance. Tolerance group for employees, tolerance group for GL, and a tolerance group for vendor and customer. See, finally, tolerance means I am setting the limit for the employees, GL, vendor and customer. Employee T code is very important. The T code I am using here, OBA4. /N OBA4 is the T code. Enter now. And here you can see total group for user. User means end user. Go to new entries. And here update your company code, AL. And here you can see limit, right? So same thing here also. If you're seeing YouTube or something, they'll give like this only. There is no use. What I'm telling here, for understanding the screen, I mentioned here 100 rupees, and here I mentioned now 10 rupees, and here I mentioned now 10% discount, like this. Any idea what is the logic here? We can understand.
This 100, we are giving 10% discount, 10 rupees like that, sir.
That particular.
No, it is not
Is
like
it
that.
like a tolerance limit?
It is not like that. What I'm telling here, if I mention here 100, no, in the GL I can post up to 100 rupees, not more than that.
Okay.
If I mention here 10, no, in accounts payable and accounts receivable I can post up to 10, not more than that. And for vendor and customer I can give up to 10% discount, not more than that. That is the meaning.
Okay.
If I'm giving triple and you can't understand the system, right? If I'm giving like this, only,
That's the limitation.
yeah, if I'm giving like this, only I'll get the error. Then you will come to know the screen. You got my point, right?
Okay,
So,
triple line is difficult, like so many transactions. Here means we'll get easily error. So that
yeah, problem, sir. See, if I'm giving now, for example, triple nine something, no, more than crores I can post that
yeah,
amount, invoice amount, right?
There's no
See,
understanding.
for example, there is no understanding here. For example, if I'm posting now 10,000, system it will accept.
accept. Yeah.
Because my limit I am increasing like this, crores. But if I'm giving here 100,
It will only accept till 100.
it will accept only 100.
100. Yeah.
The invoice amount is 10,000.
It won't accept.
System will throw the error because you are setting the limit.
Yeah.
Right? This is for posting. That's why you can see limit for posting. You can see upper limit for posting. And here you can see group, right? Group means Here also I can update A and AL in the group. In case if I update A and AL in the group, this tolerance is applicable only for the particular employees, not for all the employees. So if I'm giving here empty space, this tolerance is applicable for all the employees. That is the meaning for group. Okay. But every tab actually meaning is there. Okay. So, but this is very important T code. Tolerance group for employees OBA4. And the next T code, tolerance group for GL account /n OB A0. This is the T code. Sorry, A0. Yeah, A0. This is for GL. Go to new entries, update your company code here, AL. And here I have to give the description, tolerance group for AL. That's it. Here actually don't do anything here, okay? The main T code is OBA4 only, okay? Just you update your company code, give the description, that's it. And the one more T code is missing here, tolerance group for vendor and customer. The T code I'm using here /n OBA3. And here you can see customer under tolerance. Go to new entries. Here actually you have to update here AL. And here same description I have to give. Tolerance group for AL. And I have to click on save button. And finally, what all I created tolerance, no, I have to assign to the user. User means you know the meaning, end user. Assign user to tolerance group. The T code I'm using here /n OB57. Okay. Enter now. You can see assign user. Say example, I'll go to new entries. Here actually I will update my name. And I have to update the tolerance.
Only these guys can access.
Only like this, I'm giving one example. If I mention here my name and my tolerance here, then I can post only 100, not more than that particular user. If I'm trying more than that, system throws the error. Then I have to talk to IT, then they will increase the limit. That is the meaning here. Okay. So finally we have to assign. That is important here. So now the next topic, field status. Now only I told you account groups control master data, correct? Field status control transaction data.
Okay.
So now first I'll do the configuration, then I'll give the example, okay? So field status, the T code I'm using here, /n OBC4 is the T code for field status. OBC4. And here one more important point, here actually I don't have any new entries option. You can see there is no new entries. Every time I will go new entries, I will create something, right?
So position.
Yeah. So here what I'm doing now, I have to follow the standard. Select here 1000. But after that I'll give the example. Okay. So first is select here 1000 and click on copy as button. And here delete this 1000 now.
Okay.
I'm copying from 1000 to my company code. So my company code is AL. Update here any 4 characters. And delete the description here. And here I'm giving the description field status for AL. And enter now. Okay. And after entering now, you have to click on copy all button. Then it will copy almost 148, 49 entries from 1000 to AL. Okay, I will show you now. It will show the message. See, now you can see how many messages are 49 is there, right? Now click on enter. First you click on save button. See now, if you want to see the 49 entries now, select your AL and double click on field status group. You can see the 49 entries what I copied.
Okay.
It starts from here and ending with here. Where? Here.
Client.
Okay, this is configuration. So where I can see the 49 fields after configure. For example, I told you, if you want to create the GL in SAP, the T code is FS00. That 49 fields, I'll show you where I can see this. Here you can see one tab is there, right? Create back interest.
Yeah.
Here you can see field status.
Correct.
See if I click this icon.
ALA.
No, not AL. I'm giving one example. This is OE.
Okay.
This is example. I want to show now where the field status is coming.
Reflecting.
Yeah, reflecting, right? So 49 fields actually you can see here in the GL post.
Okay.
So each and every GL I have to assign field status that is mandatory. Okay, so now I'll come for the example. So now where is some notepad I want to open now. In school days and college days, actually you know the accounting procedure, right? In the left hand side, I'm getting a debit, and the right hand side, I can write credit like that. This is another column.
Yeah, sir.
Just I'm giving an example here, debit, and the middle I'm writing here bank account, and right hand side actually I'm writing like this credit. Under this I can write like this, right? SBI bank account transaction here 2000 something, right? Like this only you studied or different one?
No, same.
Like
Same.
this.
So what I'm telling here, one main account, main GL and one sub GL. Main ledger and one sub ledger, right? So here I will tell you one more example. Here I mentioned now material account, main ledger. So debit side, what can I write here? Any idea?
Purchases.
Purchases.
Yeah.
Purchases account. See this purchase account
Includes.
plus symbol or minus symbol?
Huh?
Plus.
Yeah. Plus. No.
Written minus. Correct?
Yeah.
Like this only you studied.
Yeah.
Because I studied like this only, that's why I'm asking. Minus. Here also. So here also same logic. One main account after that sub ledger. And like this one more example I'm giving here. I mentioned here revenue account. Yeah. And under left hand side, what kind
Sales.
of correct sales account.
Yes.
So sales coming, right?
Yes.
And the sales return.
Sales returns minus.
Inside. Now you understand this logic, right? The same thing actually is applicable for field status. Now I'll come to field status here. For example, now I'm creating here bank accounts. So in the field status, I have to select here one more company I'll go now. I'll go to PW. See, for example, now I'm creating one bank account. Correct?
SBI.
SBI something. I have to select first a field status, one main account. That is G005. You can see here G005. I have to select this. Under bank accounts, I'm creating the ledger like this. SBA Axis like that. You got my point, right?
Sub-ledgers.
One main ledger, one sub ledger. I have to link up. And here, actually, you can see purchase. What is the main ledger for this? Now materials, right? If I double click here, you can see here material. And here you can see sales, right? What is the main account?
Revenue.
Revenue account.
Same account.
Here, revenue account. Under this account.
Correct.
So one main and one sub ledger.
Sub-ledger.
So now you understand this part, right? So now
Yes,
come
sir.
for the real-time scenario. So real-time, what you are doing now? For example, this is another example. Don't get confused here. If I'm giving example only, you will come to know. I will do one posting now. So now I'll go to document date and posting date, and here I'll select some GL. So some GL I'm selecting now. Sir, actually what I'm telling now, this is example. Don't get confused here because your company code is different, my company code is different. So if I'm giving example only, exact scenario, you know that. Okay. But don't try in your, if you're doing practice now, don't type PW. It will not come for you because your server is different, my server is different. You understand logic, right? And now update here double time. There's something is problem. Okay, I have to update. I think. What's that? /n f-02. Update your document date and the posting data. And here I have to select the GL. From here I'm selecting now. And here I have to update some invoice amount, something. So here you can see text is there. So text means like a narration. In the school days you studied being
For journal entries.
journal entries.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
As per the client requirement, I don't want this text field in the screen right now.
Okay.
But you can't tell the client actually no, it is not possible in SAP. Everything is possible. So this text I want to remove. So what I have to do, I have to go to field status /n OBC4 and here for example I created something right for you. What is that? ALAL, right?
ALAL.
Select this and double click on field status group. And here, if I double click here, general, G001, if I select here general data, you can see here text.
Okay.
If I make it as a surplus, what will
It
happen?
won't be visible. It won't reflect that.
It
It
won't be.
won't. Not displayed.
If you want a record entry,
Compulsory. You will have to enter
mandatory.
it.
Optional means
It's may
except even if you don't.
it is not mandatory, correct? So that is why I'm telling account groups control master data, field status control transaction data.
Transaction.
Transaction data.
So you have to go in depth in SAP, then only you get the job. You can't tell meaning like as per the Google. Simple actually, what is account group? You have to tell account groups control master data. For example, you have to tell the example also. For example, if I go to FS00, we have some tabs like type description, create bank details. There actually I can see some tax category option something. For time being, I don't want this tax category. I have to go to OBD4. I have to go there, and here there have four options there, right? Suppress, manage, and if you click on suppress, it is not reflected. Like that, actually, you have to explain. Then 100% you will get the job, right? So now we have the idea what is field status, correct? And finally, what I create the field status, I have to assign in my company code OBC5. So go to OBC5 and click on position, update your company code here, ALAL. Then field status, what I created in the previous step, I have to assign this ALAL and click on save. That's it. Assigning and all is very easy. Creation only you have to understand. So now the last T code in IT, OBO6, global parameters. So last 3 days, like whatever I did the configuration, no? Within one screen I can see here.
Okay.
OBO6 and click on position, update your company code here, ALAL. And if you go to this option, select this and click on details. Now you can see your company code I created ALAL.
Yeah.
Your chart of account also I created ALAL. Company, main company this one. Fiscal year, V3. Today topics, this one. You know that. Posting period also today topics. So all the configuration I can see within one screen. In case if you are missing any steps also, from here actually I'll come to know.
If you've not done it.
Not done or not. Okay. So this is the last step in IT. So you have to understand which is IT, which is non-IT. So here I have to click some option like business area, proposal, this one, negative, and this one. Okay. I will tell you one by one. If I'm selecting here business area financial statement, every year I have to prepare balance sheet. That is mandatory. That's why I'm clicking this option. Propose fiscal year means as per India, I have to propose 2 fiscal years. Correct or not?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
April to December.
2021 and 2022.
Jan to December.
Yeah. Then define valid date, I will explain in GL. This is coming under posting time. Negative posting means, for example, credit memo, like purchase return, sales return coming under minus. That is negative only, correct? So if you are doing posting any credit memo, I have to select this option. Then system will accept. If you are not selecting this, then I can't post a credit memo, sales return, purchase return. And the company code is productive. Means without my permission, you can't delete any master data.
Okay.
Master data means like in GL FS00 I told you, in vendor XK01 and in customer XD01, right? Without my permission, you can't delete any master data. So that is why company code is productive. This 5 option is mandatory. Then after that, I have to click on save button. So this is the last step in IT. So from tomorrow onwards, end user, like how to create the GL, how to do the posting, payment, like that we will start tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But every day actually at least you have to do minimum like 1 hour practice. Every day syllabus is increasing. You know very well.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, I hope actually you got the server access, right?
No, sir. I have given the laptop for SAP installation.
So try to get the server access as soon as possible. See my video and one more
He said he
important.
will give today.
Yeah, check with Praveen that server access. Okay. So every day your job, you have to download the video. Only this video 30 days available. Then after that, it will remove automatically. You have to download somewhere. You have to save your pen drive or desktop somewhere. You have to save my video and you have to do the practice. Okay. So tomorrow,
Uh,
yeah, tell me.
Sir, while creating company code, I'm not getting option new entries. Do you have any idea, sir?
You want to share your screen, madam, then only I'll come to know. You know how to share the screen?
Yes.
You share it.
Yeah, one.
So please share as soon as possible. I have to go to office now. I think actually we are in the display mode.
Can able to see.
Okay, see, I told you already, you are in the display mode. So give slash n I'm telling. Give slash n, enter. Now go to again slash n OX02.
So only when you put slash in and goes to the actual server,
Hmm.
otherwise it will be in display mode.
That is, you can see now heading only display mode, right? You can't do anything there. So you have to cancel the screen, again you have to come. And here one more point I will tell you. In case if you are using online server, please wait, don't do anything here. You can see the data is logged someone.
Okay.
So what I am telling here, copy the SAP user here, copy the SAP user. You can see SAP user, right? Only you copy that. So click on no button. Okay. So no problem. So go to SM tool, slash n SM tool,
Slash n.
slash
Slash
n
in.
SM tool. Madam, type the T code.
Slash n what, sir?
SM
Okay.
12. Enter now. SAP user is there, right? You have to copy the user, already same user only. And click on list here, list option. Select all this. Left hand side external, left hand side you select one by one. Yeah.
These are all.
Yeah, you select, madam, left hand side 800 is there, no? You select that.
Okay.
Select one by one. Select all. In case if you are getting lock option, no, you have to do like this. This is also recording now. Okay, so now select all, and you can see here delete button, right? After details, select delete, and click on yes. Okay, now it's gone now, correct? So again, actually go to this one, same people, OX02 slash n OX02. I think actually we are entering some different T code, OX02. Now you can see you are in change mode. Now you have to go to new entries, you have to type, see my video and into the practice, okay? Display mode, I can't do anything.
Yeah, you can only view.
Okay.
View. I have to cancel the screen, then again I have to come like this. Then if you are getting any lock something, I told you the T code also, the T code is SM door. Everything is, delete. So everything is recording. So see my video and do the practice. Okay? So tomorrow like 8:45 or 9 o'clock maybe I will come. So tomorrow we'll start GL. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thanks to everyone. So tomorrow morning actually we'll see you again. Thank you.
Thank you all.
you. Thank you all.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
So last.